Hey everyone, it's your girl Krissy from Luxx Events. We are officially stepping into 2026, and if you're planning a wedding this year, the rules have officially changed. You saw the thumbnail. We are moving away from the empty white boxes and into something much more intentional. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what is in and what is definitely out this year, 2026. I'm talking about everything from the colors that we are obsessed with. Hello, Dusty Amethyst. To the logistics that will save your budget and your sanity. So let's get into it. What to leave in 2025? First on the out list is the cold, all white minimalism. We've done the museum vibe for years, and in 2026, it's feeling a little bit unfinished. It's time to add some soul, some life back into our space. What's also out is the performance, huge guest list. In 2026, couples are really prioritizing intimacy. So if you haven't spoken to them in a year, 2 years, 3 years, they probably don't need a seat at your 200 plus dollar a head dinner. We want the love to be felt and not just seen in a crowd of strangers. And I know for some, you have that friend that you had forever, your childhood friend, and maybe you talk on social media, but you haven't seen each other since fifth grade. Uh, you don't need to invite them to your wedding as much as you would love to. You really don't need to. You're just saying happy birthday, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Eid Mubarak. Like you're just saying hi to them on the holidays. So it really doesn't make sense to invite them to your special day. Also, I know your parents sometimes, especially those mothers, love to invite a plethora of guests, their coworkers, former colleagues, friends from your religious organizations. They want to have them all over to share this moment with them. But we don't want huge crowds in 2026. We want to keep it intimate so that our moments are loved and felt and not just seen, right? So what's in? What are some of our 2026 must haves? Our number one right now is the mood. We are seeing a huge trend towards muted jewel tones. I want you to think dusty amethyst, sage, deep peppercorn. These colors feel luxurious, but they also feel super cozy and curated. Our biggest trend for 2026, though, is the hybrid DIY. My savvy brides and grooms are hiring experts for the logistics. That is the complete setup, delivery, placing tables, centerpieces, all of those beautiful things. But they are doing some high end DIYs. We'll have some high end DIY tutorials here on our page for you. So you can create those custom, personalized content moments like balloon walls or luxury favor bars. Some of these favor bars that you're going to be seeing are snack bars. We previously had a lot of candy bars. I think we're moving away from that and we're moving more into custom cigar bars, custom drink bars, so you can make your own cocktails, mocktails, soap bars, so you can and candle bars, little things like that, which I absolutely love. It is a beautiful, personalized moment. You will also see some flower bars, so you can make your own flowers and take them home this year. Now let's get serious, okay? I know that trends are fun, but logistics, they last forever. So whether it's an outdoor wedding where you have to worry about the morning dew on your linens, or just making sure your balloon garland is secured to that metal hoop and the wind is not going to knock it over. Don't let the look make you forget about your labor. If you're wrestling with your 2026 plans, tell me your biggest struggle in the comments. I am reading them all. If you love this forecast, hit that subscribe button. And like always, if you have any burning questions about your 2026 wedding, maybe it's a big budget secret or a DIY disaster, and you're afraid to ask about it in the comments, I've got an anonymous NGL link in the comments below. So there's absolutely no judgment here, just expert advice. So ask me anything, and I might just feature you on the next Q&A. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.